So I watched somebody else's vlog. They reviewed the Taco Bell crispy Cantina taco, and it looked really good, and they said it was awesome, so I got a little bit of a craving. Let's go get some Taco Bell. Let's go try this thing. I guess it comes in a box for like $5 or $5.99, depending on where you're located. The prices change. Let's go make some memories. Okay, so we just picked up our mobile order, and this box comes with regular crispy taco, Chalupa Supreme, and then the reason why we got it, the new Cantina Crispy Melt, I believe it's called. So that's the one I want to give a try to. See, that's the reason why we got this particular box. Oh, and it comes with a thing like the Doritos Locos taco. It's white corn tortilla, not you like yellow. Alright, let's compare. Regular crunchy tacos. See the difference in the color? Mm-hmm. This one's a white corn.
Is it like a Supreme? Does it have sour cream or anything like that? Or no, you don't know?
Alright, it has 4 cheese blend.
Okay, go ahead and have
tomato.
a bite.
Let's see what it tastes like. It's a good taco.
It's good? Mm-hmm. Like, can you tell the difference between that and a regular taco?
Yeah, it has different flavor.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you think it's the shell or do you think it's what's in it?
The shell tastes different.
Mm-hmm. Does that taste plainer?
The cheese,
Does it taste
see the
plainer?
cheese sauce that's coming out the bottom?
Oh, it's cheese sauce. It's not like melted, like...
It's like a cheese sauce, but then there's also like 4 layer cheeses or something like that. Oh, I just broke my shell. And it has sour cream. So it's similar to, I guess, a crunchy taco supreme, but it has all the extra cheese and stuff. It's cheesier and crispier.
Oh.
It's good.
Individually, it's like $2.29, or at least at this location.
Yeah, and the box here was $5.99. So for the extra $3, I got a Chalupa Supreme, a crunchy taco, and a drink. So
yeah, so it was worth it.
Definitely worth it in the box, yeah. Similar to a regular taco, right? But it has different flavors.
The difference only cheese sauce maybe, right?
The cheesy sauce and
a little bit of the shell, but not as different as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
So is it worth the difference?
I mean, coming in the box.
Because this is $2.29 normally, and a crunchy taco supreme is...
Probably close to $2.
Is it really $2.19 now?
Yeah, they're expensive.
What? I can't tell.
Making it Supreme makes it over $2.
A regular crunchy is $1.49, and a Supreme here is $2.19, I think.
70 cents
I think that's
for
what
sour
it
cream.
says. Well, if it is, then it is worth it, the difference, because it's not much of a price difference, but wow. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and take a bite from it.
Don't make that face. What do you think? Pretty good, right?
Yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, so also what came in the box was a regular crunchy taco. I didn't review that, I already ate it. Typical regular crunchy taco. And now I have the Chalupa Supreme. I added a little bit of hot and a little bit of mild to it. I never used to order Chalupa because I didn't really care for them that much. Gorditas or Chalupas, but this is actually pretty good. Growing on me. And the box came with a drink too. I love their pink lemonade. They have a new Mountain Dew that's like citrus orange or something. I think I might have to get a little bit of that and taste it. See if it's any good. I've heard mixed feelings about it. Some people say it's good, some people say it's fake tasting, so maybe I'll give that a swig before we leave. Alright, so we just finished eating our Taco Bell, and we forgot to do the outro at Taco Bell, so we're just around the corner from there. And no, the Cantina Crispy Melt Taco was very good. Everything that came in the box was really good. The only downside is do not eat your crispy taco after eating the Cantina one, because it's kind of bland afterwards. Eat that first, work your way up. That taco was really good, definitely worth checking out. I don't think it's just limited time. I'm not sure how long for, so get to your Taco Bell quick and get that one. If you like this video, give it that big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Share our videos with your friends and family. That'll help the channel grow. And as always, we will see you soon.